Hi, this is Litre and Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2025 Mazda CX-30 Stock number 7336. It's run from the 10th 2019 to the current shape. There's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,